Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you yet another website which allows you free access to all the AI models in a single website. This website is called as Krater AI. You directly type this on Google, Krater AI, and this website will come right here. It's a very popular website. Uh, Once you go to this website, you will simply say every AI model that you need. A single subscription is required right here. With the help of this, you will get all the Chat GPT, Claude, Gemini, Quen, DeepSeek, all the models in a single website. So Perplexity, Runway, Flux for image generation, audio generation, video generation, code generation. Every model is there inside the single website. So a single subscription is required. So it will save you a lot of time and money as well. So almost 350 plus AI models are there, and once you purchase this subscription around 1671 per month, you will get 1500 free credits per month. Every month you will get this, and you also get app generation, voice generation, 25 gigabytes of storage, email support, everything. So this is I'm using it for past 2 months, and it's a really good website. To get started, you directly can log in with your Google account and just sign up. And after signing up, you will be redirected to the dashboard area. So just fill out all these options, and so you can just see right here. Once you sign up, you also get this gift as well. You can get 33% off as well. So you get this promo code, you apply this at the checkout page, you get 33% off as well. So you can click claim 33% off. It will now redirect you to the checkout page as well. So using Stripe, and you get, unfortunately the free access is not granted right here. You do need to check out and pick a plan right here. After that, you get monthly credits, which will have everything is 100% free once you purchase the subscription. Whatever images, videos, code generation you do, everything is totally. You can cancel anytime as well. All the payment methods are supported: Apple Pay, credit, debit card, Google Pay, everything. So you get almost 350 AI models, image, video, audio generation, everything is there. So your data is almost private. Everything is private, and you get, every plan gives you full unrestricted access from day one. No trials, no limits, cancel at anytime. So once you purchase a subscription, there is no caps, there is no restrictions. Unrestricted, unlimited access will be given to you for each model. So there will be no restriction at all after you purchase it. So you will get almost all these 350 plus AI models directly inside your dashboard. So, so you can just see right here. So once you do this, you will be redirected to that chatbot section right here. So from here you can select any model of your choice. So almost 357 models are there: OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, Meta, Mistral, XAI, Grok, DeepSeek, Perplexity, everything. You can see the list right here. Every model is present right inside this website. So no longer you need to purchase multiple subscriptions or search for different models. Each and every model is present right here. So once you sign up, you get 10 credits right here. You will see that you get 10 credits whenever you sign up. You can, so right here you can simply ask it anything right here. So you can just see right here. So various commands are there for building applications. We have dash build. You also have ability to actually upload your own files as well. Everything, sound, speech, transcribe, search, each and every option is there.